All right, this is how we're going to convert that price list to an Excel document. So what you're going to do is I already downloaded the file, but instead of opening the file directly, we're going to go into Data from Text or CSV up here. We're going to select that file we just downloaded. Once it comes in, we're going to change this to UTF-8. Comma's good, but then we're going to transform data. We're going to go all the way over to where the UPCs are. And actually, the UPCs look good. So if these were in like the scientific notation, like you see on sometimes when you open up these files, that'd be bad. So if that was the case, all you would do is select these three columns, right click on them, and do transform type to text. So this is already set as text, so it should be good to go. So we're going to sit here and hit close and load. And now you have all of your UPCs in the correct format. That's all it is. Thanks, guys.